Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Civic Sport Coupe. This vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights, the sporty 18-inch rims. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes your road departure mitigation, your collision mitigation braking system. You'll have the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist. You'll also have steering wheel controls to be able to control the volume, cycle through your media sources, answer your phone calls, as well as use voice commands. Paddle shifters. You'll have Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your media into the vehicle. You'll be able to select from a variety of sources from FM, AM, Bluetooth, USB. You'll have your climate control buttons. Down here you'll have a USB port and a power port. And the cables can run through here. You'll have brake hold, electronic parking brake in an econ mode. Additional USB port in the bottom. You'll have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. A capless fuel filler. The backup camera features 3 different views. You'll also have the all-weather cargo tray here in the trunk. You'll have the spare tire and tool set. This is the 2019 Honda Civic Sport Coupe here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.